Message of truth and love in every heart and household. This 2024, Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated celebrates 33 years of unwavering commitment to advancing God's kingdom. For over 3 decades, Zoe Broadcasting Network has transformed and uplifted lives in the Philippines and all over the world by producing and broadcasting competitive, creative, informative, and values-oriented content for the glory of God. 33 years of passionate and wholehearted love for God, selfless service, creativity, courage, integrity, excellence, and teamwork. Zoe Broadcasting Network.
Salamat kay Ma'am Diwata at sa Pasig CWD kasi malaking tulong siya sa aming buhay.
Kundi dahil sa kanya, hindi namin mararating yung mga